Every broiler chicken begins life as a carefully incubated egg. Controlled temperature and humidity ensure optimal hatching conditions. Modern hatcheries track every egg's progress. Sensor technology ensures healthy embryos and identifies any non-viable eggs.
After 21 days, chicks hatch under precise conditions. Each chick is carefully monitored to ensure survival and vitality.
Activity sensors track chick behavior. Uniform distribution indicates healthy growth and reduces overcrowding stress. Broilers require consistent warmth. Infrared lamps mimic natural conditions and reduce early stress.
Precise flock tracking ensures accurate population management. Every chick is accounted for before entering the grow-out phase.
Growth rates are continuously monitored. Automated weighing guarantees birds reach target weight for processing.
Routine inspections identify any health issues early. Maintaining flock health is critical for mass broiler production.
Starter feed is specially formulated for young chicks. High-quality feed supports rapid muscle and bone development.
Nutrition is carefully measured to support rapid growth. Automated systems ensure every chick receives adequate feed and hydration.
Specialized feed formulas change as chicks grow. Consistent nutrition is key to achieving optimal weight gain. Environmental monitoring is constant. Proper temperature, humidity, and ventilation keep chicks healthy and stress-free. Proper temperature and ventilation prevent stress and disease. Climate control supports optimal growth rates.
Clean bedding reduces the risk of infection. Automation allows barns to maintain hygiene without manual labor.
Lighting schedules help regulate growth and biological rhythms. Chicks respond positively to controlled light cycles. Clean hydration is vital for healthy growth. Automation ensures every chick receives adequate water without wastage.
As Plymouth Rock chicks mature, their appetite increases. Automated feeding ensures all receive sufficient nutrition simultaneously.
Once past the brooding stage, chicks enter the grow-out barns. Automated systems provide constant feed and water to support rapid growth.
After several weeks, broilers reach their ideal weight. Controlled environments ensure uniform growth and healthy development.
Broilers are carefully moved from grow-out barns to transport cages. Automation reduces handling stress and ensures humane treatment. Transport trucks are climate-controlled to maintain comfort. This preserves broiler health during transit to processing facilities.
Arrival at the processing plant is carefully managed. Birds transition into holding areas while minimizing stress and overcrowding.
Air quality is critical for broiler health. Automated fans regulate oxygen and humidity levels consistently. Each broiler is evaluated for weight and overall health. Only birds meeting precise standards proceed.
Sorting ensures uniform processing. Birds are grouped by size to maintain consistency in production.
Pre-slaughter water baths reduce stress and prepare birds for humane processing. Controlled environments minimize discomfort.
Advanced monitoring guarantees consistent handling. Automation minimizes human error and maintains welfare standards.
Dunning systems prepare birds for processing in a humane and efficient manner. Compliance with ethical standards is strictly enforced.
Automated transport minimizes handling and ensures smooth flow along the production line. Digital systems verify size, weight, and positioning. Only broilers meeting strict criteria proceed to processing.
Defeathering machines remove feathers quickly and hygienically. Precision engineering prevents damage to the broiler's skin. Water jets remove any residual feathers or contaminants. Cleanliness at this stage is essential for food safety.
Cameras ensure that each broiler meets visual quality standards. Automated inspection prevents faulty products from progressing.
Chilling reduces bacterial growth and preserves freshness. Controlled cooling is a critical step in maintaining food safety.
Robots handle broilers carefully to avoid damage. Automation ensures hygiene and precision at every stage.
High-resolution cameras confirm that every broiler meets strict quality standards. Defective or underweight birds are automatically removed.
Cutting machines portion broilers with surgical precision. Standardized cuts ensure uniform packaging and cooking consistency.
Secondary chilling preserves meat quality and safety. Temperature control is continuously monitored by automated sensors. Robotic systems guarantee consistent tray assembly. Every portion is precisely placed to optimize packaging efficiency.
After processing and portioning, broiler meat is ready for packaging. Advanced automation prepares products for distribution to retailers worldwide. Boxes are filled automatically, reducing human handling and maintaining hygiene. Each box holds a precise number of trays.
Shrink wrapping keeps boxes organized and protects them during shipping. Heat tunnels shrink the plastic for a tight fit. Once palletized, broiler products are ready for storage. Automated systems streamline movement and reduce labor requirements.
Cold storage maintains freshness until shipment. Precise temperature control is essential for food safety.